Hello students, good morning. I am Ali sir. Today we will learn about number system. Class 7 number system. As you know, in mathematics also you use that number system. That is a decimal number system. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your decimal number system. Decimal number. I think that mostly students, they are friendly with this number system, they are used in math. First of all, we will discuss about what is the use of this number system. Friends, in old days also, that people used many things to count these number systems. Okay, nowadays also we are using to count the things number system. Now we have various type of number system in the computer, that like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. We will discuss about all of these number system, but here we are discussing about the decimal number system. Why we call it this decimal number system? Since according to the computer, here how many digits are there? How many digits are there? In this decimal number system, since 10 digits are there, 0 to 9. How many digits are there? 10 digits are there. That is a total number of digits in a number system. Here NS, that is stand for number system. Okay, in this decimal number system, here is a 10. That's why while we are talking about number system in the computer, that time how we will differentiate the number system. Since while we are writing this decimal number system, we will write, suppose we want to write here 100. Okay, then since in 100 we will use here base 10. We will use here base 10 like this. This is your decimal number system. In mathematics we are not writing this base, simply we will write 100. But in computer we will write here this 10. 10 means how many total number of digits in a number system. That is a base of your number system. Okay, if anybody will ask from you how many number of digits are there in decimal number system, then 10. What is the base of decimal number system? That is a 10. Example of decimal number system, that you can write like this. Any number, but that base should be 10. Okay, this is your decimal number system. Now since further, our second number system, that is a binary number system. That is a binary number system. As you know, that computer understand only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1, 2 digits. Since here many people they are saying that digits, but not, that is not digits. Computer is a machine. Computer understand only 2 state, that is a on and off. We will take a real life example so that you can understand better what is a on and what is a off. So suppose our fan is on, that means a on state. Our fan is off, that means a off state. Here in this binary number system, we will use this on and off state only. We will suppose on means 1 and off means that is a 0. On is equal to 1 and off is equal to 0. This is your binary number system. Means how many digits are there? 1 and 2. Then what is the base of this binary number system? It is a base of binary number system that is a 2. Why base of binary number system is 2? Because the total number of digit in the binary number system is a 2. That's why the base of binary number system is a 2. Now students, we will take example of binary numbers. So suppose here also we will take that same example, that is a 100. In the decimal number system we put here 10, that is a base of a decimal number system. But here we want to write here binary. Then how we will write here? 1, 0, and base of binary number system is a 2. Means how you will identify which one is a decimal number system and which one is a binary number system, that you will see according to the base. Which base is 10, it means that is a decimal number system. Which base is a 2, that means that is a binary number system. Okay students, we will take more example of decimal number system and binary number system. 80 base 10. This is a decimal number system. 1, 1, 0. This is your binary number system. Here students, we will not call this one 100. It is not 100. It is a 1, 0, 0. Because in binary number system only 2 digits are there. That is a 0 and 1. Then when we will call this number, we will not call it 100. It is a 1, 0, 0. It is a 1, 1, 0. Because this is your binary number system. Okay. Now say, as like in this decimal number system, we can do multiplication, addition, division, subtraction. All of these mathematical operation we can do in this binary number system also. Suppose friends, here how we can add. In decimal number system, what is a mathematical operation you know. But here we will learn how we can add binary number system. We will take a binary 1, 0, 1, 0. This is your binary number system. Second one, 1, 0. This is your binary number system. Now students, how we can add it? Students, here I am going to table. This is your bit 2. Here students, bit means only one digit. That may be 0 and that may be 1. Okay. Bit 1 plus bit 2. 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1. Now say here 1 plus 1, that is a, if you will call it in decimal number system, that is like 10. But it is not 10, it is a 1, 0. It is a 1, 0. Now since according to this truth table, we will add this number. 0 plus 0, what is the answer? That is a 0. 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0 means 1. 0 plus 0, 0. And 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 we will write here and 0 we will write a downside of a 1, 1. Now since this is your answer, this is the addition of 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0. This is your answer, and base 2 because it is your binary number system. I think that you understood how we can add this binary number system. Friends, just you will focus this truth table. If you know about this truth table, then it is easy to add how much big number that you can add easily. That no problem. Okay friends, this is your binary addition. What is it? Binary addition. Next one friends, How we can do multiplication in the binary? How we can do multiplication in the binary? B1 into B2. What is the answer here? 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. Means if any 0 will come and how many numbers are there, we will multiply, that become 0, as like in your mathematic decimal number system. Same. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, that is a 1. Means here in only one state where all are the 1, that answer will come 1. Other states only 0 will come. We will take here one example. 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. Now since we will multiply it, we will take first small example. 1, 1. 1 into 1, you can see here 1 into 1, answer is a 1. 1 into 1, answer is a 1. 1 into 1, answer is a 1. 1 into 1, that is a 0, and 1 into 1, that is a 1. Again same, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Now since that is same, how we can do multiplication in the decimal number system? After this we will add these digits. Now since you will add it, 1 plus 1 as the previous table, 1 plus 1, that is a 0, 1, 0. It will come, but 1 we will not write here, it will go upside. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, and 1, 0 plus 1, that is a 1, 1. 1 we will write here, 1 will go upside. 1 plus 1, that is a 1, 0, again 1 will go upside. 1 plus 1, 1, 0, again 1 plus 1, that is a 1, 0. So this is your multiplication of 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, and multiply 1 and 1. This is your answer. Like this friends, we can do addition and multiplication in the binary number system. I hope all students understood this concept. If I will put the related to this chapter, this topic exercise in the school app. Okay, thanks. I hope all students at home and safe.